Your face?
Hey yo, what the f?
I ain't doing it. What the f? This thing got a police interceptor down 300.
We got him.
Hey yo, we gonna see BB cops what he doing. Run on the BB and they be kind of late. You know how to hook it up on this side, right? Huh? You know how to hook it up, right? Oh, Charlie, like, I'm probably like a piece of booze right now. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. What's the deal, YouTube? Welcome to 2024, man. I just woke up. Cam fucking battery did, so my tire was making a weird ass noise, so I just pulled over and looked at it. It's like it's something inside my tire, bro. Making a weird ass noise and shit. 2024, man, my car dirty as my car dirty as dog balls. This is dirt. I swear to God, I've been neglecting this boy. I still got tape all over my car from the Christmas lights, so we gotta do a full YouTube video on how to get that junk off, because I'm not getting that junk off right now, bro. But we just finna hop back on YouTube, bro. I've been sick for like, well, the whole game been sick for like 5-6 days, so I haven't been recording, bro. We literally been sick for a week. Oh, hell no. I look tired as hell, but we getting back on this shit, man. The grind, man. 2024, man, we trying to come up. So right now, starting a video off, we're going to pick up Cam, bum ass car and shit. This nigga Cam Hellcat broke down and shit. So that's what we're going to do right now. Bro, my tire making weird noises. Bro. 2024, I ain't seen you 2023. I still gotta take that. That's that mud I went through when I was at here and shit. This filthy. No, this shit. Oh yeah, that's how we start out 2024. Starting up cars. I got tape all over my car, y'all see? This ain't no game. I'm still pulling off one by one. Look, tape everywhere. Car don't even starting. We finna get rich on YouTube off clickbait. Oh my God. You gotta hook it up on this side, right? Huh? You know how to hook it up, right? Oh hell no! Right here, nigga. In here, nigga. Yes, son. Come on, son. Bro, this nigga trying to blow shit up. This nigga trying to die. Damn, you get the tightest heel. Alright, try. Start with the Hellcat, you feel me? Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Stop pushing the floor! Oh yeah! Start up the Hellcat, you feel me? Yeah! 2024.
Sit your dumb ass down and shut.
Alright, you too. So we leaving Cam, so we have to come back in the game and shit, you feel me?
You wanna smoke with us? You wanna smoke with us?
2024, his Hellcat back started. We finna go take a shower, man. Might link up with Gabby, man. She at a going to a music video shoot. I'm gonna be late to that bitch. Yeah, we just trying to get all content, man. 2024, man, finna run shit up. Oh, they playing copyright. We just cleaned the whip up real quick. New Year start off. I don't know what happened right here. Some shit hit my car.
Hey yo, what the f?
Now we finna go link up with Gabby. What the fuck? This dumbass car, bro. Something be wrong with my key signal, bro. This shit make me mad, bro. I don't know if I need a new battery or what. Now we finna link up with Gabby, man. I'm supposed to been linked up with her, but I'm finna go over there right now. Then a 30-minute drive, bro. Clean the car up for New Year's, man. It's New Year's, bro. I'm not finna go into the New Year with a dirty car, bro. No, I got some drip on, some light drip. Know what I'm saying?
He ain't got a bag, he'll kill for it, don't get killed for it. I've been blowing up, I only got about 10 real songs. No man, rap was never in my plans at first, real niggas know me.
I like to start my YouTube videos like with a little music and junk going on, you know what I'm saying? Just put me in a happy mood. A lot of my videos gonna start with music. We supposed to be dropping a YouTube video at 6 today, bro. I'm trying to hype up these videos, bro. One thing about me, bro, editing takes way longer now. When I be trying to edit, bro, that shit take a while. Like damn near 7 hours, 8 hours just to edit one video, bro. Feel me? So I'm trying to pump out these videos today. It's not too much going on, bro. Like we supposed to get damn near in the single digits this weekend, bro. So ain't nobody gonna be outside. Everybody try to be outside that bullshit. I don't know what the videos gonna look like, man. I got videos I wanna do already, you know what I'm saying? But it's just I wanna do them with other people, you know what I'm saying? And then don't nobody trying to be outside for it's been like a week since I really been out. Literally 7 days, not no 5 days. Not what black people think a week is. It's been like over 7 days since a nigga been outside for real. Like I've been outside and record a video, we'll go right back in, you feel me? I'm trying to be outside with the gang, bro. Like damn, bro. I can't wait to summertime, bro. Summertime, bro. This summer, bro, I'ma really try to apply that pressure. Like I was working, I was doing all types of shit. So right now we finna go with the guys. We're on a freeway right now, you feel me? We got this big ass Tonka truck. Nigga stop on his brakes hard as hell. Yeah, I don't know what we finna do, but I'm just finna get some footage. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. I just miss being outside.
Man, shut your ass up,
We got 23 minutes before we get to game. Ooh, we had a tire shop. Got Bobby by man. He needs some milk. Shit. Unlock door. Y'all niggas ugly, man.
Turn the camera around in your face.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
What the f you think you look like, nigga?
Handsome ass BB nigga. All my BB niggas handsome.
Hey, look at my lights.
What?
Look at my lights.
What lights?
So outside, look.
Oh my god. Man, shut your bitch ass up.
I ain't doing it. What the? This nigga got a police interceptor damn 300.
We got him.
This nigga got a police 300.
That shit hurt.
Oh my god. This nigga the boys. Oh hell no. Underground, unlock that shit.
I got magic.
What's the sauce?
You got magic.
Bro, underground tuna unlock that shit, bro.
No, you didn't.
Yes, he did, bro.
No, you didn't.
Yes, he did, bro.
It's not underground tuning.
Hey, y'all, Bobby gotta do a haircut. You gotta see Bobby haircut. Damn! Let me see. Hey, come out to the light. Come out to the light. Oh my god.
What the hell? Oh my god, no way.
Yeah, let me see. No. This nigga waves gonna be sweet as hell though. I ain't gonna lie to you. Your shit gonna be hard, man. This shit lame as hell. Bro, I haven't been outside in so long, bro. What the? Oh my god.
Broke nigga alert.
Bro, what's going on with his 300? Bobby ain't part of 300 no more. Look at this shit, man. How the f you? Cam car, he needs some tires because I guess he did donuts cold the fuck outside. I'm in my car chilling, you know what I'm saying? Waiting till these niggas get done. I think Cam car done. Yep. Nigga, don't park your slow shit in front of me, nigga. Nigga, move that slow shit, nigga.
I'm finna burn the f out these tires, nigga.
Fuck you think you going my girl in the car, nigga?
Man, shut your ass up, nigga.
Don't worry. Yo, we in a cat. I'm about to take this car. Cool with that?
Oh my god.
Hey, Ty, big booty Ty.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
I said big money Ty. So we about to get them a thumbnail. So I guess he drive Cam's slow Hellcat. You feel me? It's okay. Look at that scat. Look at that bitch. Wide body. No, I said so. Right now we finna go to the bank. Going to start that bitch. Oh, yes. I just feel good to be outside with the gang. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Like I miss these niggas. No. Look at BB Ty driving that bullshit. Hey yo, we gonna see if BB Ty know what he doing. I know them BB niggas be kind of lazy. Let's hear it. Showing some real pat. This the real pat. So I would give y'all like a little POV drive or something like that. Something along the lines of a POV drive. Hopefully I like this angle up here. Oh, look at that wide body.
Yes, sir. Now that's how you supposed to drive.
Taco boy, that tough. I ain't gonna cap, that Hellcat like the sweet lower, bro. That jump made me want to lower my jump, like smack. Wide body smack is one of the best things ever. Like when I get a cat, I would do it to this, but I don't think it's worth doing all that to this. I mean, I could, but you know, my car already sit lower anyways. I want to smack it down to the ground. He over trying to get active. When cars lowered, the whole freaking stance of the car look crazy. The wide bodies look the craziest. Knowing low key, I got the sunroof.
Oh my God!
Y'all see that? He ain't really doing too much cutting up. He's scared of that. He's scared of that cat. He's doing no cutting up for real. Why would have got that boy? Bro, that Amazon truck ugly as shit. That must be some electric shit. That shit ugly. Search keys. Oh, we got another scat. What's that? Hey yo, yeah, that's an RT. I think it's an RT. Yeah, it's an RT. Appreciate it. He ugly as hell. Shit, that was the police. I put the camera down quick as hell. I guess we're going to the bank real quick, know what I'm saying? Get some of this cat. Where's they taking me? I ain't worried though. We got fast life. We got a little fast life member here. Y'all hear that boy? Hold on, let's hear mine. Let's hear mine.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
But I only put my car in sport mode because my exhaust like makes noises and I don't like it.
Broke nigga alert.
The rattling noise because my exhaust valves are going bad. This tape is like stuck on my car, bro. Like every video I'm gonna pull off some tape. I ain't gonna lie to y'all until I get all of it gone. So I'm supposed to be getting a detail. Every video I'm gonna try to pull off some tape. Cause like look at it. This junk is like sticking like wheel too. Like never putting that junk on my car. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Next time we do that, I need to find something else to put on. That tape is crazy. Like it's all over. That shit don't make no goddamn sense. For this damn tape, bro. Like God, this junk sticking. Even though y'all see my tire about dirty as shit, this nigga over here flicking up and shit. Boy, if you get your ugly ass old and shit. This nigga tire is bald, bro.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
I ain't gonna lie, he riding on death in the winter time. I ain't gonna cap.
I got so much.
Bitch, them fiends I heard tripping any second to the phone ring. Ain't got no bag, niggas worry about the wrong thing.
My bad, bro. I'm sorry, bro. I ain't gonna lie. We was play fighting. We had a little injury. That nigga balls hurt. Oh my God, you finna ball up. You good, bro?
Yeah, we good. You
good.
Passing all game, he hits on the wrong team. You follow niggas' ways, bitch, I'm out do my own thing. You ain't never shot a Glock or roll striker. Slut this hoe out, now this bitch, she think I like her. She try to set the play, fuck around and I'm a micer. Tyson, knock the pussy out, don't wanna fight her. Try to slide down the swing, spark the whip just like a lighter. All this weight up on my shoulder, but I know it's gon' get lighter. Gotta get up in that jungle on your stripes like a tiger. How the fuck you out here walking, but you rockin' all designer? Like what the fuck, niggas gotta fix that shit up. She not my sneaky link, don't gotta sneak to pick up bitch up. Fuck it, we send it by 150 out the pickup. His heart stop before the bullets hit him like the hiccup. They need another kid and getting fat like that's the league up. Got a red dot, missed every shot like put the beam up.
Alright, y'all, so they grabbed some Chick-fil-A, you feel me? I don't want no Chick-fil-A. I don't really eat that shit. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I wonder, can I go through here? I can't even go through here. Bro, why they got everything blocked off? Like, god damn. I gotta turn around. Oh, so we turning around, you feel me? If I eat something, I'm eating something else, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Oh, I hit the wall. Oh, fuck! Y'all hear my exhaust, but this is why I don't drive my car in sport mode. I don't know if y'all can really hear it for real.
Now that's how you supposed to drive.
We're gonna sit right here. We're gonna wait on for them to come out. Ain't nobody coming in and out of here. It's like a dock area where they be dropping off they loads and jump, bro. I'm gonna sit right here now. I'm saying, oh fuck no. Oh.
Police! Help!
I'm finna go in the parking lot. The police is gonna pull somebody over. They go come in here for sure. Like what I'm doing in here. We gonna go right here right now. That police, we ain't mess with no police.
I'm finna go to Hutch and spend a whole 50. This a Glock 23 with a pole in it. Yeah, I'm young, but I'm moving like a old nigga. I feel like Joe when I got the mag, I'm for sure with it. Acting bougie in the club. I hope bitch was different. My bitch will pop a nigga up. Our hoes different.
I get a $5 biggie bag.
Nigga alert.
The Junior Bacon cheeseburger.
Just off your drink.
Fruit punch and sweet and sour.
That'll be all for you today.
Yeah, that'll be it.
5:30 seconds.
On some fat people junk though. Yeah. They had Chick-fil-A, but you know what I'm saying? I'm more of a street nigga appetite. I don't want bougie Chick-fil-A, you feel me? I want street nigga food. You hear me though? I'm a straight nigga, so I gotta eat street. Oh my God! I can't wait just to chew down on the immaculance of the oh, this that jump playing, hold on.
City, your bitch turned pussy, can't put it in me. Like what? Okay, let's get it. Do it, let's do it, right. Do it, let's do it, right. Do it, let's.
Alright y'all, so we just arrived at Buffets, man. She go up in here, man. Lock the scatty waddy. So we got cam shit over here, man. You wanna drive a scat, ugly ass. You drive the scat. Wanna let him drive the scat, man. He wanna go to Old Rally and shit, man. Oh, should I let you let him drive? Cause you talk too much shit about my car.
Not slow, I was just playing.
Alright, keep playing, nigga. You gonna be walking the Old Rally quick. It's on the side. Nigga ready to drive skats and shit. Nobody said fast in the city. But you ain't gotta do it like that.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
It's Wendy's and shit, nice and warm and shit.
Progress with my scat and shit, you know. This is me test driving another scat, cause you know I really like that.
Man, shut your ass up, little ugly ass.
It's just a regular lifestyle to me, like.
Well, get your bum ass over.
Would I drive?
Yeah.
Nigga, my jailbreak red on, nigga.
Now what is that?
It's over there. Park. It's tucked off, nigga. I just got into like 5 chases earlier.
Yeah, that's probably that slow shit.
I was in like a 10-car chase. Bro, you swear you gotta sit back like a street nigga. Bro, like you far as hell.
Nigga, I always drive like that. Nigga, I over street nigga. Dude. I be the streets every day, man. I'm past princess in my car and shit. I don't let too many people drive and shit.
You look like a princess. Put your hoodie down. Let me see them.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
I let my brother drive yesterday.
What the fuck? Stop playing with me.
Who got Ali on the radio, nigga? Got Bubba on this bitch. What up?
Baba.
I mean Baba.
Addicted to my cash app and sending payments to myself. Hop on a solo mission, watch me take the risk myself.
Alright, nigga, damn, let me see why the
Bro,
fuck.
I keep forgetting how slow this bitch is.
Bro, this ain't eco,
Damn,
bro.
this bitch was. Oh, it is an ego.
Right, so don't mess up my mileage. My shit already this nigga.
Oh my, what did you do to this car, bro? It feels faster. Psych, nigga.
This bitch
It's slow as hell.
I'm ready for a cat. I ain't gonna lie, I'm looking at cats.
I can't wait to see you in the cat, bro. I'm gonna be so proud.
That shit gonna be so full. I'm just gonna be so proud of myself. Like,
Imagine you in the cat, I'm in the track.
They go dumb. Fight time, man. On grave, man.
I'm Kadrika Grave.
What is that? See, now, what if we don't get that and then we just put something on somebody's grave? Like, so what if they hung us and shit? The Gabby's sister, she possessed. She played the Ouija board, nigga.
That's that white girl shit. She the type to have a haunted house and go towards whatever sound she just heard. Nigga, if I hear something fall down and I know it ain't nobody in my crib, I'm getting the f out of there.
Nigga, this bitch is slow and eco, nigga. It's not a jailbreak. Get terrible gas mileage when it get cold out. And they do that shit every year.
Why?
I don't know. We finna grab these scat parts for his scat and shit. So make sure y'all stay tuned for this videos, man. This scat, cause I want to drag that. I can't wait till you get it, bro. Don't do no. I'm for it. Don't do no mod.
I'm not gonna do no mod.
I want to see what my
That's
shit
the very last thing I'm gonna do to that before I raffle it off, bro. You gonna have hella chances to race me. We can race as soon as that bitch get done. I'm gonna drag your shit.
Nigga, I don't do it for
Like on photo,
nigga. On photo grade, nigga. I will nigga.
We gonna see, nigga.
What the bitch say? It's 17 say super track pack, right?
Nigga, my shit don't say super track pack. That bitch say SRT8.
There we go. Look at it. That shit go. My shit look way better than yours though. Y'all want to see Nick scat? I should put it up on the screen. That's strict. See your scat part. Some slow shit. You know, we ain't gonna even peek on that nigga. So.
What's that nigga talking about?
I don't know what the fuck. I just laughed.
People's jokes are so bad.
Mishy. Nigga, what the f? Nigga, this is a boat park. Nigga, f***ing died. Yeah, look at this, man. Yeah, man. And pop that hood for me. Can I showcase your car?
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah? You love it.
He's getting purple airbag.
Purple airbag, bro. Yeah, so this is his Hellcat. Oh, excuse me. We got Maddie. That bitch
hard. It's the first time I've ever seen purple.
Hell yeah.
Buffex customization. I want a purple one.
Everything more part, everything good deal. Everything more part, everything good deal.
We gotta play with it, gotta open her up, you know what I'm saying?
Some milk.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
We got a Hellcat second gen. We got another Hellcat second gen coming to the fleet, you feel me? We got brick, got keys and shit, you feel me? I don't know what he doing. Huh?
Don't record me.
Why?
I'm not in the mood to be recorded.
Why?
Broke up with me.
Man, shut your bitch ass up, nigga.
Man, shut the fuck. He doing his eye on his 300. I ain't even show y'all his 300 yet. His shit hard though. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna cap too, Kyle. You got one of the hardest 300s. Don't tell nobody. Man. That green off the black, boy, goes stupid. Cat head, perfect. This shit hard. Oh no, I gotta show y'all the brakes. This is where my 5-spoke, my car came. He just went and bought some from the same place that I got some. This place need to give me some pay, cause I'm sending them customers. You feel me? Look, gloss black, 5-spoke, same ones. No, I ain't got the stagger. Look, they're the best 5-spokes on. If y'all see Fast Life Nick Hellcat 300, he got some weak ass 5-spokes on there, like sponsored by me. I did this shit. You feel me? Look at the slack cat on the brakes, bro. Everybody's car is coming together, bro. I love it. I love it. Yo, look at this. This is a real race car, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Hold on. And it's on air ride suspension. This boy go up and down. Buffex customized. That shit was so satisfying, man.
Good deal, everything good deal. Have fun, bye.